Hey everybody, this is Brad from the Stock and Options Room here at the ShadowTrader.net Live Trading Suite. And the stock of the day is Humana. I want to do a quick recap because a few weeks back, we did a trade. I did a video on Humana. And when the stock first dropped to these 52-week lows, I sold a downside put at the 210 strike because I wanted to, buy the stock if it did get put to me. And then I started buying some more stock. It looked really, really good. Went all the way up to like over $250 and change, 255. I started buying the stock at 232, bought more stock at 244. Then we had this kind of nasty pullback here, and I was still okay. I only had half a position at the time. And then the stock kind of went in sideways mode. You can see it here in the rectangle on the chart that, the stock really wasn't doing much. But even though the stock wasn't doing much, there was a lot to do, at least as far as I was concerned, because I started selling options, both calls and puts. And for the past 3 weeks, when the stock went nowhere, I collected almost $18 of option premium as the stock went nowhere. Okay, and as a matter of fact, let me just show you real quick. Why isn't this working? Here we go. All right, so as you can see, I bought the first time I did the trade was here May 15th. I sold the 210 put, collected $3.30, and I said sold for credit and to buy the stock if put to me. Then I bought stock here and then sold a call. Then I bought more stock here and then sold calls and puts and calls, more puts. And all told, folks, this is like I said, almost $18 of option premium that was collected over the past several weeks. And not only that, when the stock started to break out, you can see right here yesterday that I bought more stock at 242.10. So here it is. I bought my third piece. My basis is 239.60. That's just with the stock buys. Okay, but remember, all of this is credit received, both calls and puts. So anyway, the point is that I think the stock is worth a trade even for those that aren't in it. As long as this thing can stay outside of the $238 level, which is the balance area high, of course. I wanted to buy some at 238. I even told people in the room I wanted to buy stock at 238, but yesterday the stock moved so fast, that's when I bought the stock. It would happen to be a little bit higher, of course. Like I said, I had to buy it at 242.10. So I actually paid up for the stock from where I wanted to buy it at 238 bucks. So anyway, the point is you can also see the target 265. Why is that my target? Well, we got a descending trend line there, but then also one last thing I'll leave you with. And some of you know I love the Fibonacci retracements, but from the recent high to this recent low, the 61.8 is also right here at that 265 area. So anyway, Humana, there's the update. I'm in the stock. I love the stock. I don't have any upside calls written at this point because now I don't want to sell upside calls because if the stock is going to move higher, I don't want to get called away. Now, I still might sell some. It all depends. The market right now is pretty volatile. Obviously, the Fed just came out with their decision on interest rates, and they left no change, but the market is selling off as we speak, but this stock is still holding up relatively well. So any event, you got the target, you see where the stock is, and hope it helps, and hope to see you in the room. All right, take care, my friends. Peace. Hey, everybody, this is Brad Agonis with ShadowTrader.net. Thank you for taking the time to watch this short video. If you like what you saw, hit the like and subscribe button below. Also, you can check us out, ShadowTrader.net/squawk. And if you want to trade live with myself or any of the other ShadowTrader moderators, sign up, give us a try. Take care, good luck trading, and see you soon.